may be work, it may be fun. At times it's hard to tell. That's living life with Jerry and Mel.
It might be raining, it might be cold, but we're gonna live it, find that pot of gold.
Cooking in the kitchen or firing up the grill, that's living life with Jerry and Mel. That's living life with Jerry and Mel.
All right, welcome to the cabin. It is opening weekend of turkey season, so I will be going and trying to get a turkey in the morning
While I'm sleeping in.
while she's asleep. So, and of course, we just got here, and it's time to have a little supper. We're just going to have hamburgers and some fries tonight. But yeah, I probably will see you in the morning. So, welcome to Living Life
With Jerry and Mel.
We're going to get it done this weekend, hopefully. It's opening morning of turkey season 2025. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I've got turkeys gobbling already, so good luck to me. It's a beautiful morning. Hopefully the camera picks up that gobble.
Well, the first gobbler I caught in, he ended up being too small. He was what we call a Jake, a minor, so you gotta let them go if you want to have big ones eventually. But right now there's another gobbler gobbling down behind me, so let's see what happens. The little Jake is still in the field over here, but he's walked away now. Good luck to me. Well, ended up seeing 2 more gobblers, but they wouldn't come on out. Actually just saw them for just a brief second. But it was a beautiful morning to hunt. Had a lot of action. Let's just say if that one had been 1 year older, I would have been successful this morning. But really, if you look at it, if you think about it, it was a successful hunt. It was a successful morning. Anytime you get out and enjoy outdoors like this, how can you not be happy about it? How can you not think it's successful? If you went out in the woods and you got one every single time you hunted, whether it's deer, turkey, moose, elk, whatever you hunt, if you got one every single time you went in the woods, it wouldn't be special. So yeah, it was successful. Got my heart pumping a little bit when they were gobbling. And it's just so nice out here. Hunting on the edge of a field. Coming right to the decoy, everything was exactly how you would want it. Except it was just a youngster. We'll get them next time. Mel is teaching herself how to make stuff out of wood.
How to whittle and carve.
Just a little at a time. It's kind of a slow go. She's already made some good stuff though. We'll see what we get.
My shaking is kind of...
Yeah. All right. All right. It is now round number 2. Afternoon, and we'll go to a different spot today. But the goal's still the same, is to get a turkey. They're really, really good on my big green egg. And I've got a different friend to help me this time. my other decoy. I've had that thing since I was a teenager, and it has been a good one for me, but it was very hard to get the little post in the ground this morning. It's a little dry down here, and I couldn't get it in the ground. I mean, when you have the decoy on the ground, the tail feather should be touching the ground basically, or maybe a little off. Mine was 6 or 8 inches off the ground now, so it was, the decoy was bigger than the gobbler. So anyway, good luck to me. Well, all right, I made it back to the truck. It was just dead this evening. I did not hear anything, even the animals and the birds, even nothing. I heard nothing, so I think I'll go on back to the cabin. We'll get some supper going, and I'll punt and regroup and try to go after them again tomorrow. All right. Nothing. So what have you done?
Well, I got those 2 cleaned up.
Uh-huh.
I think I'm gonna make like a coffee scoop little spoon.
Oh, okay.
With that. So I'm working on that. Don't know about that other little one. But yeah, I've just been sitting here piddling.
All right. I'm gonna go get changed. Fire up the grill, I guess.
All right, sounds good.
Chicken wings. If it was a little colder and not quite as dry, we would probably have us a little fire. Well, hopefully next week, it's supposed to get a little cooler. We're supposed to get some rain and some storms tomorrow and into Monday. So hopefully, who knows, we might can have us a nice fire. If not, nothing.
It's not like I want a huge one. I just want a small little campfire.
We just like to have a little campfire, you know, not really to keep warm, but just to keep bugs off of us. We'll see. Looking good, looking good. Move that big one more into the center, I think. These babies are looking good. They'll be done in a minute. Homemade grilled hot wings. Can't beat it. It's a beautiful morning. Already heard one gobbling. But there's just a lot of life in the trees this morning. I love the morning when everything's coming to life. Well, no luck this morning. I saw one fly down right into the field, but he went the other way. That's how it goes. So for this trip, I'm 0 for 3. But it's a long season, and we'll keep going. That's all you can do.
It might be raining, it might be cold, but we're gonna live it, find that pot of gold. Cooking in the kitchen or firing up the grill, that's living